Welcome to Unboxing in English. Today we have this package for our car. If you have car at your home or you own a car, you must have this jumper cable. Yes, you are listening right. It is a jumper cable. If your car's battery power gets low and you're not able to quickly start it, you need this type of jumper cables, and I'm going to show you how these are. As you can check out, it comes with this carry case, and these are two jumper cables. If you can check out, this one is black and this one is red. What do you have to do? You have to connect this into your black, means minus negative connection of your battery, like this. You have to do this like and connect this like this, and after that you have to connect this same into the next car. Keep in mind that if you connect both of these into a single side, please keep in mind that these not get into touch of each other, otherwise it may become very big problem for your cars, and it may blown their fuses. So what you have to do, you have to connect these on your car and this one on this other car, but keep in mind that minus should be go into the negative and positive should be go into the positive connections. And after that, ask your other helper to switch on their car and keep on their car for few minutes and a few seconds until you start your car, and voila, your car's jumping problem will be solved, and now you can go to anywhere you want to go. But keep in mind that if it's battery drained by mistake, by forgetting the headlamps on or anything like this, then you can run your car for few kilometers and it will be charged. But if your batteries are on dead condition, please get replaced them. If you like this video about these jumper cables, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to unboxing.